guys are getting set up, I'd like to welcome everyone here tonight. Thank you for coming. My name is Jamie Riley. I'm the host of This Is My Home. We call it the Psalm Salon, and it's an oasis for the living arts. And we are very happy to have you here tonight to share in this experience of authentic Mesoamerican wisdom and culture. We feature music and performing arts from around the world, representing many different traditions, with the goal of bringing people together across traditional, cultural, and ethnic boundaries. And so, thank you again for coming out tonight. And a little bit of housekeeping: if you have cell phones, make sure they're turned off. There are refreshments out in the kitchen. The bathroom is all the way in the back. And have a wonderful performance. Thank you very much. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce the name of the group. I'll let the guys talk a little bit about that. But thank you again.
Hi, hello everybody. Thanks so much for coming over. It's a pleasure for us to be here. Usually we are more people, but things happen live and it's very hard for everybody, But we come to share something. We are part of this great community of Philadelphia for different years and different reasons. My friends and I. We have around 6 years as an organization doing things in the Delaware Valley area, and usually sometimes a little bit more far away. For example, next week we are going to be in Washington D.C. at the Kennedy Center and the National Library of Congress. But the bottom line of this is we share who we are and we enjoy. Hopefully you enjoy. And thank you so much for coming over. For us, it's a pleasure to play just for a couple of friends, for 20 whatever something people. So you are going to see something that remains of Mexico City. It's like it used to be 517 years ago when the European people came to this continent. The name of the group is Ollin Yoliztli Calmecac, and that means in English, the school of the blood moving in the heart. And that means because as a Mexican people, we have a lot of different overnames and other names and many other names for different traditions that we have. So we try to keep our blood moving. We have smaller organizations that we do things for the community, and we work out like that doing different things. So hopefully you visit the website. The name of the group is going to be on this website too. You can check it, or just ask the Dance in Philadelphia. And we have some music for you and something very nice. The first part, it is basically we ask permission to the four corners of the planet, and we play a little bit of music. And this is mostly what we do in a ceremonial situation like this. And some of the words will be in the native language of Mexico. And hopefully you really like it. Any other questions at the end? And thanks so much for coming over.
umpa kan nushti yaske, kan nushti umpa musewitiwe, tlazocamatli mitlantecuntli. Ollin Yoliztli Calmecac, Tlazocamatli, Tonatzi.